Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the S&P, I mean, it still looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. We still haven't hit that 161 Fibonacci extension yet, so definitely still bullish for now. Eventually, I do think we are going to get a much bigger, much more significant pullback for like a wave 4, and probably up again for a wave 5, but no real signs of that wave 4 starting yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean the weekly time frame, I'm sorry, the weekly time frame, this is most likely a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. No break of structure to the downside, no lower high, no reason at all yet to think that the wave 3 is over. So taking it down to the daily time frame, the market has been extremely sideways for quite some time now. I mean, very overlapping. Kind of makes it look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So, I mean, if it does break down, it probably is going to at least make a crescent to this whole move up. We don't have that break of structure to the downside yet, so I mean, I would still be very cautious about sorting it. I would still primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour, if you zoom out a little bit, like I said, it definitely looks like one wave up, 1, 2, 3 down. One big wave up, 1, 2, 3 down, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for the wave 5. So if it does break down, which it kind of looks like it is going to, then it probably will very likely make a crescent to the whole 5 ways up, which can go anywhere between 38 and 78% of this whole move to the upside, which would probably lead to some pretty good sorting opportunities, especially on these sort of time frames. But like I said, no breaker structure yet, so definitely be cautious with that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like a big 1, 2, and this is a big wave 3. So most likely it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. But if it just breaks right through this structure level with momentum, then I definitely at that point would start looking for shorts in a downtrend. Probably, like I said on the higher time frames, probably going to be due for a much bigger crescent, someplace between the 38% and the 78% of the whole move up on the daily. So if it does break and hold below this structure, then definitely going to be looking for shorts, looking for a 38-78% pullback. If it doesn't, if it does that 3, 4, 5 shape and does not break structure, goes up and breaks this structure, then I would actually take that as a long because technically the trend is still up on the higher time frames. And if we get like an end of a trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, break a structure, I would take that as a long opportunity. This could even possibly be like a big ABCDE or something along those lines on the 4 hour time frame, and it might just keep on trending up, especially looking at the weekly and monthly, not hitting that Fibonacci extension level to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension level yet for the projection for wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.